She is here. The angry wasp is here. So, took the bent thing off. What's this going to protect, man? It's already looking 1,000 times better. I taped off the blinker for now because the rubber was all rotted away. We're buying new blinkers, but for in the meantime this will have to do. Took the side fairing off. The guy put in a LifePay 4 battery. It's great, but the battery is probably kind of dead. You won't crank anything, and you still use the normal regulator. And as far as I know, you have to use the MOSFET regulator to probably charge those batteries. So that was a big mistake on this part. If I'm wrong, put it in the comments. With a little bit of light sanding, it's already looking way better. All the white parts on the plastic, I don't know what it was, plastic color deformation, it's already gone. I cleaned it, and after that I'm going to use a bit of this auto glue and will restore it as best as I can. Definitely not perfect, but way better than before. Just to wait until it dries up a bit, the auto glue. There was a battery that was in there, and I was lucky I had a spare one from the Africa Twin I wanted to build in. So we'll be using that one. They're exactly the same, only different manufacturers apparently, but I still think that they are from the same, just rebranded. And sorry for the noise today, because they're driving car show, Lamborghinis and other cars, all driving here. I don't know what they're doing. Now it's just BMWs. But there are a few Lamborghinis, Ferrari, McLaren already. Quite nice. Porsche. This time. Left out Volkswagens. That's not that interesting anymore. Okay, what were we doing? Putting in the battery. It's strange that the cables are here because it blocks the air intake. So if anybody knows about this particular model, maybe need to be rerouted somewhere else. I'm just putting it back together as I found it, and it's a bit tidier and with a lot less mess. So let me know.